After months of speculation and leaks, Samsung has officially confirmed the date of its next Galaxy Unpacked event. The highly anticipated launch will take place on July 9th at 4 p.m. French time, where the company will unveil its latest lineup of devices. Among the products expected at the event are the Galaxy Watch 8 series and the new Galaxy Watch Ultra. As is typical with Samsung launches, leaks have already surfaced, giving us early looks at the design, available variants, and some technical details of the upcoming smartwatches. However, one crucial element has remained unclear: official pricing, especially for the French market. That's why we're revealing, exclusively, the full price list for France, along with the detailed specifications of every model and configuration in the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup, including the Ultra model. According to reliable sources, Samsung is preparing to launch 3 smartwatch models this year: the standard Galaxy Watch 8, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and a new version of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks to well-known leaker Evan Blass, we now have a clear view of the final designs. The new Galaxy Watch Ultra adopts a square case with rounded corners, similar to the 2024 version. Meanwhile, the Classic model retains its iconic rotating bezel, which remains a favorite for intuitive menu navigation. While Samsung has yet to officially reveal the full spec sheet and pricing details, leaks suggest that the Galaxy Watch 8 may see a price increase of 40 to 50 euro compared to the previous Watch 7. As for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, it's expected to stay below the 500 euro mark. Following our latest research, we've been able to compile the complete specifications and pricing for all the upcoming models. Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. The year designation in the Ultra's name helps distinguish it from the original version released in 2024. According to a report by Android Authority, the app's APK resources include the names, banner images, and detailed descriptions of several upcoming watch faces, offering an early preview of the visual direction Samsung is taking with its next-generation smartwatch. The leak reveals 7 distinct categories of watch faces. One is the minimal analog watch face, which showcases clean, simple lines that align with the sleek aesthetic of the Galaxy Watch, perfect for those who appreciate a refined, minimalist appearance. Another is the minimal digital face, featuring bold colors and prominent numerals with subtle embossed detailing, offering a vibrant yet sophisticated option suitable for daily wear. The sporty classic watch face stands out with lifelike chronograph dials and realistic textures, delivering a polished, dynamic look that merges elegance with an athletic feel. For users who prefer traditional styling, the Heritage Classic watch face reinterprets the guilloche pattern, blending timeless texture with understated luxury. A more playful option is the interactive number watch face, which uses high-contrast blocks and racing-inspired numerals to create a bold, energetic vibe. The gradient info board face takes a more calming approach, with soft gradients that subtly shift throughout the day, inspired by the natural hues of earth and sky. Finally, the circle info board watch face was also found in the app, although its description was missing. Its inclusion still signals that Samsung is experimenting with a variety of unique designs for the Galaxy Watch 8 series. While more designs are likely to be revealed at Unpacked, the presence of these watch faces in the Watch 7 Manager app suggests that Samsung may also roll out some of them to existing Galaxy Watch users through future over-the-air updates. Thanks to listings on Tenna and NBTC, we now have live images and confirmed battery specifications for both models, all courtesy of a fresh scoop from 91 Mobiles. And if you thought Samsung was playing it safe, think again. The Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to pack a 426 mAh battery, almost identical to the Watch 7's 425 mAh. But there's a twist. Samsung might offer different battery sizes depending on the dial size. Previous leaks hinted at a 312 mAh battery for the 40mm variant and a 435 mAh unit for the 44mm model. Now, however, new reports poured an entirely different setup for the 44mm version, making the situation even more intriguing. As for the Watch 8 Classic, it's making a bold comeback with a single-size option and a 445 mAh battery, a noticeable bump from the 425 mAh cell in the Watch 6 Classic. And don't forget, there wasn't even a Classic variant in the Watch 7 lineup, so its return feels extra special. Larger dial, larger battery, longer life. If you're eyeing the 40mm model, keep in mind it may have up to 100 mAh less capacity than its larger sibling. Choices matter. Live images confirm what leaks have suggested. The Galaxy Watch 8 and Classic are both getting a dramatic design refresh. Enter the Squircle dial. Not quite round, not quite rectangular, but a stunning hybrid of both. First seen on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, this design evolution delivers a premium, futuristic aesthetic and a fresh wrist experience. Get ready to take complete control of your health. The Galaxy Watch 8 series will debut with One UI 8 Watch, and this isn't just an update, it's a full-scale wellness revolution. In just 5 seconds, your Galaxy Watch will analyze your carotenoid levels, powerful antioxidants found in green and orange fruits and veggies. These nutrients fight free radicals, which speed up aging and are triggered by stress, UV rays, alcohol, and poor sleep. Simply place your thumb on the bioactive sensor, stay still, and watch your inner health score unfold. It's science, it's smart, and it's right on your wrist. Live updates are coming to Galaxy Watches. Google just dropped the bombshell at I/O 2025, confirming that this same Android 16 live update tech coming to smartphones and tablets is headed to your wrist next year. With the One UI 8 watch update, Samsung is adding the Now bar, a slick, glanceable UI section for real-time info. Think sports scores, rideshare alerts, package tracking, and more, without even opening the app. At launch, it'll only support Samsung apps and a handful of Google apps. But by One UI 8.5 Watch or One UI 9 Watch in late 2026, we're expecting full third-party app support. That means your Galaxy Watch 7, 6, or even the upcoming Watch X could soon become a notification powerhouse. Samsung appears to be shaking things up with their next big launch. While we're all expecting the usual spec bumps and software upgrades, what's really turning heads is a possible design shift. And not just any shift. It's something we've seen before, but only in their most premium offering, the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Based on some animation files discovered inside the One UI 8 Watch firmware, it looks like both the standard Galaxy Watch 8 and the Watch 8 Classic could adopt what's being described as a Squircle design. That's right, Squircle. Think of it like a fusion between square and circle. Basically, a circular display nestled into a square-like chassis. It's the same bold look the Galaxy Watch Ultra introduced recently. Now, this design isn't just about looks. It brings a certain luxury aesthetic that we often see in high-end mechanical watches. So, if you're someone who likes your tech to have a touch of class, this could be a game changer. It gives the watch a more substantial presence on the wrist, bigger, bolder, and undeniably eye-catching. But the design changes don't stop there. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, in particular, is borrowing more than just the shape from the Watch Ultra.